Hi, and welcome to LB0 Fox India Norwegian Ham Ventures. Surprisingly enough, I'm out doing a Parks on the Air activation today. Still participating in the Great Norwegian Kilo Race, even though LB5JJ got his first kilo the other day. So it's now a battle for second place between me and LB4FH. So we'll see what happens there. A little bit different station setup today, so we'll take a tour of that, and then we'll do as usual. And as for today's radio, I brought the big guns. I brought the IC-7300 here. Figured I'd need a little bit more than my usual 10 watts to get a good result today. Further on, I needed a bigger battery, so it's a 72 amp hour lead acid battery, but it'll give me a little bit more operating time than the 5 amp hour LiFePO battery that I usually use. And antenna wise, the feed line goes into my common mode choke here, and then up to LB6CI 49-to-1 transformer, and we got about 20.5 meters of antenna here going down over there. It's probably a little bit hard to spot. That'll give us 40, 20, 15, and 10, and hopefully I'll be able to tune some other bands, so we'll see on that. There is one not really well thought of thing though. A park next to a campsite here at the park, so there might be a little bit higher noise level than usual, but we'll give it a try, and if this doesn't work out, we'll move on to a different location in the park. And I actually got one QSO before I turned the camera on. LB4FH, my main competitor for the second Norwegian Kilo Award, is out doing Parks on the Air, and I got a park to park with him. I think he recorded the QSO, so if it did, we'll put it in here.
India, du 5 og 9.
Takk for 5 og 9. Bare litt øyeblikk her, Kjetil.
Ja, QSL, jeg måtte skru på kameraet her, så du 5 og 9 pluss 20 inn til meg, over.
Takk for 5 og 9 pluss 20.
And now it's time to do the usual stuff. I'm going to call CQ, you're going to look at the scenery, and hopefully 100 watts will help a little bit more than usual. So let's get going and see what happens.
CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox for India. Lima Bravo 0 Fox for India, calling CQ Parks on the Air. Park Lima Alpha 2532, Park Lima Alpha 2532. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox for India, calling CQ Parks on the Air. Standing by for any call.
Okay, QRP station, come again slowly. Hotel Bravo 9 Foxtrot Echo Lima. Is that correct? Over. The Hotel Bravo 9 and then something Echo Lima. QSL. QSL, you were up a bit on your last pass. You were 4 and 5, 45 on your last pass. HB9 Foxtrot X-Ray Lima. QSL.
Roger. My name is Tango Echo Fox, QDH is Zurich, and I'm running 10 watts into a wire antenna.
9 Alpha 1 Bravo November. 4 and 5, 45. QSL.
Roger, thank you for 4 and 5, 4 and 5. You are hearing Roger 5 and 5, 5 and 5.
Thank you for the 5 and 5, and thank you for hunting Parks on the Air. 7-3.
Thank you, and enjoy your activation. Thank you again, bye-bye.
Mike 0 Tango Quebec. Good morning, Stuart. Good morning. About a 4 and 3, 43 QSL. Thanks for hunting, Stuart. 7-3 QRZ Parks on the Air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India calling CQ Parks on the Air.
Golf 0 Romeo Quebec Lima.
Golf 0 Romeo Quebec Lima. There, Don. Thank you for coming back to me. Really strong today. 5 and 9.
tomorrow. Good afternoon to you there, Morton. Thanks for 5 and 9, 5 and 7, 57 there. Thanks for your part, Morton. And catch up with you later there. 7-3, have a good day, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Could I have your club call as well there, Don, over?
Yeah, there's me forgetting again. Mike 0, Oscar Mike Charlie. Mike 0, Oscar Mike Charlie. 5 and 7 also, Morton. Roger.
Roger. Thank you for the 5 and 7 there also. And enjoy your day there, Don. 7-3.
Yeah, 7-3, bye-bye.
QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India calling CQ Parks on the air.
Echo India 3, Golf Yankee Bravo.
Echo India 3 Golf Yankee Bravo QSL.
Good morning, my friend. Dennis, Mike. And you are fine in Western Ireland,
Roger, you're 5 and 7 here in Norway at Park Lima Alpha 2532. Thank you for hunting Parks on the air.
7-3, thank you.
7-3 QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. Okay, station, come again, please. Radio Alpha 1 Alpha Victor Papa QSL. Thank you. 5 for the 5x9. You are 5x7, 57 here in Norway QSL. Park reference is Lima Alpha 2532 2532 QSL. Roger, Roger. Thank you for hunting Parks on the air. 7-3. I see Ocean Nancy 3 Delta Whiskey Golf QSL. Yeah, thank you for the 5 and 7. You are 44 with some QSB, with some strong QSB, but I got you in log. Thank you for hunting Parks on the air. 7-3. Papa Alpha 1 Bravo Papa QSL. QSL, that is correct. You are a 3x4, 34 here, QSL. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. Mike 0 London Echo Denmark 5 and 8 58 there Lee QRZ Parks on the air. Lima Bravo 0 Fox India.
Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. Here is Radio Zulu 3 Delta India Alpha for you, over.
Radio Zulu 3 Delta India something. Come again, please.
Radio Zulu 3 Delta India Alpha. Good afternoon, my friends. Your report is 59. Very strong signal here near Moscow. And my name is Serge, Sierra Echo Radio Golf Echo. Do you copy me? Over.
Roger, Roger. I copy you really well. 5 and 9 plus 10. 5 and 9 plus 10 here. Over.
Okay, many thanks. 73, good luck.
Hotel 7, Tango Oscar.
Oscar Hotel 7 Tango Oscar. A bit of QSB going on. 5 and 5 at the moment.
Okay, thank you. 5-5, you are 5-6. Oh, no, sorry, 5-7 to here near Lahti.
Roger, Roger. Thank you for the 5-7 near Lahti, and always good to get Finland in the log. Thank you for hunting Parks on the air. 7-3.
7-3.
QRZ Parks on the air. Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. Echo Alpha 5 Hotel QSL. Roger, thank you for the 5 and 5 in Valencia. You are 4 and 5, 45 here, over.
Yes, thank you. Good luck.
73. Any more takers before I QSY to 15? Any more takers before I QSY? This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India calling CQ Parks on the air.
Mike India 3 India Yankee Japan.
Mike India 3 India Yankee Japan QSL.
QSL, the operator name on this end would be Charlie. QDH will be 80 miles west of the capital city of Belfast here in Northern Ireland. You're 5 and 9 plus 10 dB. Bravo 0, Fox India, Mike India 3 India Yankee Japan.
Thank you for the 5 and 9 in Northern Ireland. You're 5 and 9 here as well, over.
Roger, man. Hey, no problem at all.
Alpha Mike 3 Kilo Papa.
Delta Mike 3 Kilo Papa, I think it was, QSL.
Roger. Delta Mexico 3 Kilo Papa.
Yeah, 5 and 9 here, Joachim, over.
Foxtrot 4 India Bravo Romeo.
Foxtrot 4 India Bravo Romeo, QSL.
Yes, QSL 5-9 for you, QSL.
QSL 5 and 8 here in Norway, QSL.
Okay, QSL, my friend. My name is Patrick, QSL in Norway, friend.
QSL, Patrick, and thank you for hunting.
This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India calling CQ Parks in the air, standing by for any call.
Echo Alpha 3 Kilo Tango.
Echo Alpha 3 Kilo Tango, 5 and 5, 55, QSL. 73s, and thank you for hunting QRZ Parks in the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India.
Echo Alpha 5 Juliet November 4x4 OS.
Echo Alpha 5 Juliet November, thank you for the 4x4. You are 5 and 8, 58, QSL.
This is Hot Sierra Mike, stroke Lima Bravo 8, Charlie Golf, stroke portable, CQ Soda.
Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India.
Lima Bravo 0 station.
Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India.
Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. God dag, hyggelig å treffe deg på 20 meter. Du er 5 og 9 her i Sverige. Sierra Mike, stroke Victor Delta 003. Navn er Mikhail. Mike India, Hotel Alpha India Lima. Mikrofon tilbake til deg, over. Oscar Hotel 9, Juliet Sierra.
Oscar Hotel 9 Juliet Sierra, QSL. QSL, you are 54, so thank you for the 5 and 5 in Finland, and thank you for hunting Parks on the air there, Jarmo 73.
73, thank you, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, QRZ Parks on the air, this is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India.
Parks on the air, CQ Fauna, Lima Bravo 4, Foxtrot Hotel.
Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India, park to park.
Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India, park to park. Du er fortsatt på 5 og 9.
Takk. Du er 5 og 5. 5 og 5 her, Kjetil. Hvordan går det ellers? Så mye loggen over? Okay, there's 38 in the log this far on 40, 20, 17, and 15. Next up, do some digimodes. If I have enough battery on my PC, I'll see that, and we'll be back and draw some conclusions after that. Finally, halfway decent activation. Did some digimodes for a couple of hours now. Managed 70 in the log, whereas 38 of them were on sideband and the rest on FT8 and FT4, all across the bands. Had a couple of really nice DX on FT8. I got 3 Japanese stations, 1 South Korean, and 1 United States, 1 US East Coast station. So actually not a half bad activation for what it's worth. 7 in the log, finally good to be back in the game. Probably not going to bring this 7300 anymore. Looks like my amplifier is coming finally. So my next activation will probably be with the X6100 and the MXP50 amplifier. So that's about it for today. If you want to support the channel, there are a couple of ways down below to do that. I'll also be coming out with some merch, some t-shirts, hats, cups in the near future. Probably some stickers as well. I'm looking into a partner on that. And that's all for today. I'm gonna take my equipment down, go home, have some supper, and enjoy the nice weather. So thank you for watching. Until next time, 7-3. Oh, and if you watch this long, on my side here is another ham. Looking forward to start his activation. So he'll be the next one. Hopefully you'll get him too. Okay, that's all for now. 7-3 again.